that deck for me. What is going on? My name is Weston.
My name's Caleb.
This is my business partner. I think I've talked about him in like the last 3 or 4 videos. We're in Arizona right now at the Arizona car lot. We're trying to buy some cars. We're low on inventory. How many cars do we have at this?
Not 9.
Not 9?
No, 9.
We have 9 cars at this car lot, and we usually have 20 to 30. So we are going to look on ACV and look at ended auctions, which you guys can see right here. And we're going to go through them and kind of give our opinions and input on them. If you don't know, we have, how long have we been in the car business? I guess with the car dealership, a year and a half. And then the Arkansas lot is like 5 months, 4 months. You've been selling cars since when?
I guess
15?
Yeah, 10 years.
Both of us. We've been selling cars 10 years. It does not feel that long. So that's 20 years between both of us. So hopefully you guys can learn something, and we'll see what happens. So we basically are just going to go through the ended auction section and analyze. Caleb's not listening.
I am. I'm responding to messages about cars right now.
Oh, sorry. All right, so we're gonna find the ones that say make offers. We're gonna look at them, make sure they're good mechanically, and then analyze them why we would or wouldn't offer or why we wouldn't buy them or would buy them. So Pontiac, you don't like Pontiac either, probably, huh?
No.
And 200,000 miles. So
scared.
This is very, very risky. Engine problem. Well, makes sense. This is basically everything we're scared of. It's already got it. And at over 200,000 miles, it is a red light automatically. So we'll just keep looking. Nissan Maximas.
Nope.
Nope.
Can't do it. This is one similar to the one we just
So
did.
Caleb just got one, but his is in much better shape cosmetically. You got it for like
35.
3,500.
Probably like 38 with all fees.
Yeah, $3,800, but it needs no paint work. It needs nothing. It needs a center console latch, but I don't even count that as an issue. You can see this is super foggy, not clear, so we wouldn't really bid on this. What would you give for this? 2?
Yeah, like 1,800 probably.
1,800, 2,000. So they're way over asking. Not going to go that route. I like these a lot. What about this? It's 85,000 miles.
Lake Havasu?
15. Where did we miss this one? Oh, it's a manual. That's why. Never mind. These are really good. Like, they sell so well. Like, in Arkansas, I sold one really fast. Here, we've sold.
Yeah.
How many have we sold here?
Like at least 4.
Oh, I thought it'd be more.
No.
Oh.
4. Maybe
They sell so fast, though. So if anyone is looking to get a Chevy Cruze, honestly, they're pretty decent.
With like a 2013 to 15, you want to try to stay around
35?
Yeah. Well, I mean, yeah,
Depends on the
35
miles.
to 45, depending on the season and the miles.
Yeah.
But if it's tax season,
And some people don't know this, but these motors have a louder noise, like a ticking noise, but it's normal.
It's the regular golf train.
Yep, and it's really normal, and they'll announce it in this sometimes and say engine problem, and we know it's not because we dealt with so many. Let's see if this has that noise. It's not as bad as some of them.
Yeah, but in person, it's louder.
Yeah. Some are turbos. Yeah, so usually it's like a really loud ticking noise at startup. People get really scared. I've even had a customer like get scared and went away from me.
Yeah.
But I was like, you can't hardly explain it to them because you're like, I swear that's normal. And they don't believe you, you know. But let's keep looking. Oh, dude, that's a pretty looking one. Transmission issue. All right.
Classic.
Never mind. Let's see. Nissan, I am not a fan of Nissan. Are you?
No, but the Versas actually sell.
Oh yeah, the Versas we have
so
a good look
if
with.
you get a Versa that's like 100 to 150,000 miles, anywhere from like 12 to 14, 15, you can get them for like 25.
And so the weird part is some of these are CVT transmissions and some aren't on those Versas.
Yeah.
I don't really know on the like all of them, but man, some of them you can, luck out on, and some you got to be real careful with. But I typically just stay away from Nissan mostly, unless it's the older stuff. I actually kind of like the older stuff. We have one of these, huh? Is that not what it is?
We'll trade them.
That's about right.
And ours has a knock too.
Yeah, we have one of these, and we've had it for 80 days, probably 100.
Yeah, about 100.
100 days. Red. If anyone wants it, this is your invite right now.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with it.
Come on and get it. We'll give it to you for 4,500. No.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. 4,500, guys. Shop our website. You can click the link down below. It's the Genesis. It's red. Don't ask why we've had it 100 days, but yeah, come check it out. Just kidding. Let's see. Toyota Prius. Too much. We're trying to buy cheaper cars. We tend to. What do you think? I think we do better with like it. It's almost like we always do better with cheaper stuff.
Yeah.
It appeals to like the largest audience, and it sells faster. We're out less, and the margin's the exact same, in my opinion.
Yep.
So I'm not going to look at any like $6,000-$7,000 cars, but we will look and go from there. Wow, there's really not much. It looks like everything's selling. I don't know what that's supposed to mean, but 85,000 miles, little mini. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. Transmission issue. Never mind.
Have a scan on Craigslist.
You want to scan Craigslist? He likes this a lot because it's private party. A lot of the people that post on here don't really like research it when they post it. And sometimes they post it so far under value that it's like, I mean, you can get a steal. Yeah. ACV, you're dealing with other dealers. So everyone's kind of aware. So you never hardly get like 3,000 off. But
Craigslist, it can happen.
Oh yeah, all the time. So, do you have like your price stuff set?
No, it's all.
Do you want to do that?
I don't know. Just see what's local, probably.
All right, Dan. That's a Pilot. That's kind of high, unless it's super low mileage.
Yeah.
You want to click it?
We want to try. Yeah, doesn't hurt. We try.
150. Yeah, that's not that good.
We like to try to find the cheaper stuff, just because it sells so much faster.
Yeah, like we were saying earlier, like, and this probably works in any area. Like cheaper stuff, like it's volume. But I get a lot of looks. I had some customers come in and they were like, in Arkansas, and they're like, why do you have so much cheap stuff? And in my head, I'm like, I know what I'm doing, dude. Like, why are you saying that, dude? I'm like, hey, come on, guys. What about this? Oh, 219.
It just had high miles, yeah.
It's pretty looking, though. Looks like it's in good shape.
It does not look like 219.
No. See, like something like this, what I do in Arkansas, if I got this for 25, I would get like 15 down, lend out 1,000, and then I could finance it to people with bad credit. And I don't pull their credit. It helps both parties. I make more money in the long run than I would with cash. And then the other people, you know, they won't get approved by a bank. So I'm helping them as well by giving them wheels. So stuff like this, in Arkansas, I'm willing to overpay for it, especially because there's no issue with check engine lights. Basically, every car in Arkansas has a check engine light on. So I don't deal with as many problems as Caleb does out here. You deal a lot.
Yeah.
Like
especially when AC.
Oh, yeah. And the heat kills AC systems. The winter, though, we've spent, which I guess you haven't noticed, we've spent $500.
That's a good one.
Oh, yeah. We can talk about this. Have we texted these people?
He didn't answer because we saw when it was an hour old. So I'm positive that
someone's coming.
That could easily sell for
127,
3,500 easy.
This is like, in my opinion, this is probably like 100% chance it's an elderly person.
Yeah, he even says it.
Yeah, he's 127 is super low mileage for the year. You have a body that's in almost flawless shape. Look at the hood, like nothing. And these are
tires.
Yeah. The backs. If you buff it, it'll be like perfect. The tires are good. Yeah, that thing is
$2,500 is a steal for that car.
Hey, it's the V6 too, dude. It's got the bigger motor. Wow, that is a good deal. What do you think we could sell that for?
3,500. Easy, like within 1 minute. Can I borrow your Dropbox?
Yes.
Thank you.
You can.
How are you?
Good, man. How are you? All right, we're going to keep looking and scanning. Am I too close to the mic? Don't know. So far, we have not seen anything. Oh, here's a Mazda 56. No, that's what I would list that for. Yeah, but this is really what we do. I've always wanted one of these. If anyone, oh, that's not that good of a deal with 80K. That is a nice truck though. And they're coming out with the V8 one now. Let's see what we got. We have a Nissan Altima, 535, 16 Focus. Man, I am not seeing that many good deals. But this is what we do, like every single day. It never ends. I'm going to go back to ACV, and that's it. I mean, really all day long. True mileage, I know, not actual miles. Well, that sucks. These are really, really good cars. Honda, Toyota, future reference, most reliable vehicles of all time. They usually put like 3 different variants of engines in the Honda and Toyotas, and they're all super good motors. I don't know really about the new stuff yet because it's too new and hasn't been driven long enough on the road, like the brand new Tacomas. But some of that old stuff is like, you'll see 500K miles, same engine, same transmission. It's unbelievable. That is crazy high. Holy crap, that is high. $5,100. I wouldn't give more than like 38. I'd rather have a cat eye Chevy. That is super high. Trucks, honestly, out here in Arizona, trucks are like, they sell, but Arkansas, like, it's truck city. I mean, you get a truck out there, it's gone. Like, fast gone. Here, not so much. We like to buy cars and SUVs here, like family stuff. We're in Gilbert Mesa area in Arizona, and that's just kind of what we found to work the best. And then the cheaper stuff. For both lots, the cheaper stuff works better, especially in Arkansas. But the cheap trucks, you could have dents all over it in Arkansas, and it'll sell regardless. People just have to have a truck out there. It's a tool, and there's a lot of manual labor going on out there. So let's keep looking. But yeah, this is it. What about this Malibu? Frame and unibody, that's fine. Internal engine noise. Unbalanced engine. What you mean? It's not too bad. I don't want to risk it though, because they're not going to warranty any of that since they announced it. All right, well, I am not seeing anything right now. I'm going to stop this video. We're going to probably go take a look at this one car that we found. Caleb's got it on his phone. He's been offering this guy. They want $4,100 for it. It is a Honda Civic. We're going to offer him $35,000. We're going to go see if we can snag it. And if we do, I might film a video of it. But I'm going to get off. This is what we do every single day. If you guys want to check out our website, click the link down below. We have a ton of inventory. We're actually doing $500 off. Caleb came back in. $500 off for the next 7 days on all of our inventory to get some sold. So that is it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.